NTR Degree College, Mahbub Nagar. My name is myself Jagadishwari. I am your English lecturer, and we are going to have in today's session. In today's session, we are going to have to see with the topic that is grammar work, and that is related to the part of prepositions there. And what are these prepositions? In previous classes, we have seen few examples where the exact or modified form of the words that are being placed in the words or sentences in the blanks there. So those words again kept in the inserting of the blanks should give correct form or correct usage of the blanks that can be taken or considered in writing of few examples, even in speaking, not only in reading, not only in writing, and even also while you are going to communicate in the process of the some correct media, so that you can include these prepositions in between the words and the phrases of the exercises. So that will be the positions of the prepositions, where these prepositions are being placed in between the nouns, pronouns and the verbs of the pattern, where you are going to identify the noun, where you are going to identify the pronoun, and where you are going to see the verbs are being seen, and you should have to exactly fill the preposition which is very equivalent to that side of the word. So even though also you can understand the position of the preposition of the word that has to be inserted in the prepositions there, so that you can use what long of that can be used as can be seen with the following prepositions there. So these are commonly used of the prepositions that can be seen from this table. You can also have the few quoting of the examples, so that you can identify the prepositions which are given after the pronouns there, where you are going to we have seen that personal pronouns and the corresponding pronouns which can be identified with the single or with the singular form, with the plural form, with the first person, with the third person. You can identify and you can give with the following examples of these pronouns. Some can be used after these prepositions. The finding of the examples that are being given here are: he gave a book to me. So he gave a book to me. So where you are going to identify the person in these blanks are the first person is there, and me myself you can have the identification of singular form. The singular form is there, and you are going to give with the first person. The identification of the first person can be given with the following example of this. So he gave a book to me. He gave a book to me is there. You can identify these kind of preposition as the first person with the singular form. Similarly, when you come to the second, he likes all of us. He is there, you can say first person, and us is there singular and first person. The sentence is there in the singular form. He likes all of us. So what is that given in that is he likes all of us is there, and that can be given as your form. Us is there, you can use as your plural in the sentence. So us, me is there singular, us is there plural. So you can say that he is the first person, he likes all of us, us is there plural. Again, I gave you. So I gave you a book. I gave you a book. So you is there here. I gave you a book to you. That is a singular and singular form, and you is there. That is you can give by the taking of plural form there. So second person is there. I gave you a book to you. So that can be given as with the feminine person there. I gave a gift to him. I gave a gift to him. Third person, singular and masculine there. So he is a person, male there. Then he took the book from her. So third person, singular and feminine is the sentence there. I went to the library with them. Third person with the plural form. So these are the pronouns that can be used as in the prepositions of the prepositions used after pronouns there. And these are the some of the pronouns that can be used in the modification of your pronouns there, and that can be taken into the setting of the understanding of these first person singular and first person plural and third person singular or third person plural there. So these are the examples that can be commonly used with the having of the prepositions that can be learned after these pronouns there. ఏది స్టాప్ అయితే లేదు చూద్రావే, పాస్ అయితే లేదు, ఇది పాస్ అయ్యడో తాలే. I went to the library with them. So that is the third person where you are going to use the plural form, and that can be seen with the following examples of these prepositions there. Some confused commonly pairs of the prepositions are being given with the identification of the sentences there. So those are the pen is in the box. So the pen is in the box. You should have to see that the pen is in the box. In indicates the state of rest of the position where the pen lies. He came into the room. He came into the room. Into indicates the moment of that one. So you can use some commonly confused prepositions where the pairs of these things are being seen there. So you can see those better examples. You can use of the better examples there where you can give. Here only there. The pen is in the box. So you can give the pen is in the box. So is in is there. The pen is in the box. He came into the room. He came into the room. So this into the pen is in the box. In indicates the state of the rest of the pen. He came into the room, and into indicates the movement of a person where he is entering into the room. So secondly, he sat. Similarly, you can have the following example. He sat on the wall. He sat on the wall. The tiger jumped upon the deer. The tiger jumped. Usha, please come and off the fan. The tiger jumped upon the deer. So the tiger jumped upon the deer. So upon refers to the things of the motion there, and he sat on the wall. On refers to the things at rest. He sat on the wall. The position of the person is at rest there, and that in indicates the state of the rest on the person where he is sitting there. And in the second sentence, similarly, you can see the tiger jumped upon the deer. The tiger jumped upon the deer is the person upon where the things in the motion of the person of this tiger is going to refer. It has been jumped upon the deer. So similarly, you can come to the other sentences. He lives in Hyderabad. In is again referring to the use of the names of the countries and the things which are going to be taken in the states, etc. And these are the following things that can be seen, because he is saying that he lives in Hyderabad. In is the themes of the countries or states, even the place of a person where he is living. He is saying that. Again, when it comes to he lives at Madhapur in Hyderabad. He lives at Madhapur in Hyderabad, and at is used with the names of the location of himself, etc. So you can give that he lives at Madhapur in Hyderabad, and at is used there with the names of the locations of the place, that is Madhapur. And you can also see with the one more example. My home is by the market. My home is by the market. So by is nothing but it is very equal to near there. My house is beside the market, and my house is beside the market, that is beside by the side of the market. My house is there. Near my house there is a theater. Near my house there is a theater. So besides a market, in addition to that nearby house, there is a theater besides a market. So in addition to that, you are having a theater also there. And the match is between India and Pakistan. The match is between India and Pakistan. So the match is there, and what it is there? It is there in between two countries or two groups. That is the group of India and the group of Pakistan, and that exists in between. You can use of those two people, the Indian people and Pakistan. The match is between India and Pakistan, and it is used to refer to the two people or groups or things. The World Cup is played among 16 teams. The World Cup will be played among 16 teams. Then what is going to be taken here? The word is among is there. Among is used to refer more than two people or group of things there. So in the this World Cup is played among 16 teams, and that is going to be referred to more than two or people, and that is going to be given by the team members of 16 members there. So these are the different examples where you are going to state of yourself in the having of some commonly confused pairs in between these sentences where you are going to have yourself. So similarly, when you have some examples in where it is going to be taken in the fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions, you can have to understand over the prepositions of the words that are being filled in the preposition of the examples there. So I will give just one or two examples so that these appropriate prepositions can be understood. The first example is the principal presided dash the meeting. The principal presided dash the meeting. So where you are going to use the word is. So what is that word you are going to use in that? The principal presided over the meeting. So over is the word or over is the preposition where you are going to fix the preposition it between the blank of the following one. Second one, his report dealt dash with the academic activities of the college. His report dealt dash with the academic activities of the college. So with is there, the report, his report is there, dealt with is there, the academic activities of the college. So you can use the word of the preposition that is with there. Then the principal thanked the students. The principal thanked the students dash their cooperation. The principal thanked the students dash their cooperation. So here the blank used is for. The chief guest congratulated the students. The chief guest congratulated the students dash their performance. Congratulated on their performance. So what is there? The chief guest congratulated the students on their performance. Then he said that the secret dash success lies in hard work. He said that the secret dash successes lies in hard work. The word used as, he said that the secret of success lies in hard work. Then sixth one, he advised the staff not to quarrel dash among themselves. So that among themselves is the group of staff is there. He advised the staff more than 2 members, and you can use between the word is among. The correct preposition of the word is among is there. He advised the staff not to quarrel among themselves. It would be wrong, he said, to complain against each other. Against is there, dash each other, that is against each other. It would be wrong, he said, to complain against each other. He pointed out the students depend dash on them. So he pointed out that students depend on them. He warned that he would not be put up with any discipline. He warned that is he instructed that he would not put up with dash any discipline. That with is there and dash any discipline. Then a brief speech, the chief guest gave away the prizes. After a brief speech, the chief guest gave the prizes. He gave away the prizes. So now you can see and you can have the correct errors which are being given in the following prepositions with the following of the sentences there. So he picked up a fight with me. So that fight with me, understanding of the meaning fight with me is against there. And I ordered for a coffee is there. I ordered to coffee. He replied me in the negative. Then they were talking with something. This paper is inferior than that. Everyone should pray God. He will be cured of his fever. Write answers in ink. This is a comfortable house, or we live in the comfortable houses. This building is built of bricks. I shall inform them to this. So these are the some of the errors that are going to in between the sentences. We shall have to correct the inappropriate prepositions where can be used. And in today's session, we have been given of some examples of prepositions. Thank you, so that we can continue in one more session.